Hey students, good morning everyone. How are you all? Okay, so I am Ananya Modgil, class developer of Emerging 2. Today we're gonna start a new session, okay, and we start our session with the very first subject, which is English. Before starting this, I wanna ask you that is there any doubt related to any previous concept? I know you all are revising your concepts on daily basis, but if there is any doubt or any query related to any concept, you can ask me. Okay, students, because concept clarification is very much important. I want कि आप understanding develop करो and then you will shift towards the next concept. Okay, revise your previous concept. Make sure कि आपको कोई डाउट ना हो, कोई क्वेरी ना हो. If you have any doubt, so you can ask me. Okay, ping me or you can send me a text on WhatsApp on the mentioned time. Okay, so that's it. Now we will start with the today's session, students. Let's open your book. This is your child-centric English Perfection Toolkit 1 of 2 Joyful D. So you all have to bring out your English book as well as pencil and eraser in your hand. You must have a sharp pencil. So first of all, you have to see that is it sharp. If it is not, so you can ask your mama that mama please sharp this pencil for me. Okay, let's open your book now. In our earlier sessions, we had covered our two units, okay, that is your unit A and unit B. In our unit A, we are doing the three letter words with A sound. The sound is, what is the phonic sound? It's A. Fine. What are the example? Can any of you can give me the example? Okay, Sat, we will open your page number 8 as well. So, tell me, can you please give me an example of A letter words? Yes, so this is the page number 8. Fine, students. So we did a quick recap of our previous concept. So first of all, tell me what is the phonic sound of your letter A. And here I write another letter E. So the sound is A, and here what is the sound? A, b, a, g, bag, right? If you have any confusion related to the phonic sound, तो आप उससे related जो word मैंने introduce करे हैं, you can speak that word and then you can know what is the sound. Okay, so now you have to give only one example of A letter word and E letter word. Okay, then we will shift towards the I word. Fine, ma'am. B at bat. Very good. Yes, this is an example of three letter A word. B at bat. Very nice. Well done. Okay, now you have to give an example of E letter words. Who will give me? Hurry up, hurry up. लेट मी नो मैम. ऐसे ही आपसे इवेल्युएट करते हैं, एनालाइज करते हैं. जब मैम कोई न्यू कंसेप्ट आपको सिखाते हैं तो आई वांट कि आपके पुराने कंसेप्ट भी फटाफट से मैम रिवाइज करवाएं ताकि आपकी टाइम टू टाइम उसकी रिविजन हो, है ना. ओके, टेल मी एन एग्जांपल. हु विल टेल मी? Ma'am, per egg, peg. Very good. Yes, this one is right. Per egg, peg. Very good. That means you are doing your revision very well. Okay. Now, students, as you know that in our unit C, we are doing the I word. So, what is the sound? It's E. What is the sound? It's E. Right? So, this worksheet I introduced you in the previous session. In our previous session, we had covered the upper half of this page, है ना. This worksheet हमने सारी worksheets के क्या format है that we have divided in two halves. Firstly, I'll introduce you the three letter words with the sound, and in the next half we read the sentence on another day. Okay, so today what we will do? Today we will do the second half of this page. So here you have to come. Fine. And then we will do the recap with the I words. Fine. तो यहाँ पे आपको कुछ sentence given है. What you have to do? You have to read those sentences and understand the meaning. As I know, these are the initial stage. जब आप sentence read कर रहे हो by your own, so there are some confusion or there are some doubts, but parents, it's a request that you please guide our kids while reading those sentences. Okay, so Let's read this also. Read out the sentence above and ask the children some questions related to them. So students, जब भी आप read करते हो तो make sure कि आप उसकी understanding भी रखो कि आपने क्या read किया है. What is the meaning of that particular sentence? What is the meaning of that particular word? Fine. तो उसी के basis if someone is asking you questions तो आप लाइबल हो गए उस क्वेश्चन के आंसर देने के लिए. ठीक है, तो जो भी आप रीड कर रहे हो उसको फुल अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ रीड करो. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम तो आप पूछ सकते हो दैट मम्मा व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस लाइन. फाइन. Okay, then the second thing is discuss when and why do we use a dustbin. Okay, first of all we will read it and then we will discuss कि हमें कब जरूरत पड़ती है डस्टबिन की और why we will use dustbin, why we have dustbin at our home, at each and every places, even in office, even in school, everywhere. Hmm? Even in parks also. Why is cleanliness important? So this question answers you have to give me as per your observation, as per your understanding. Although I am also going to tell you, but before that I want to know आप क्या उसके बारे में जानते हो. ठीक है, so why is cleanliness important? What should we do to stay clean and keep our surrounding clean? So fine students, first of all we will read these lines and then we will talk about these questions. I ask general questions with you and then we will talk about this as well. Okay, discuss करेंगे हम. चलो, now see this picture. What is there in this picture? I'll introduce you this thing before as well, है ना? 2 times before. So what is this, students? Ma'am, this is a bin. Very good. Yes, this is a bin. Okay, and what is there in the bin? This is a fruit. I told you, na? What? Which fruit is this? Ma'am, this is a fig. Very good. Okay, come to the next picture. I want that you will see the picture, recognize it, that what is there in this picture, and then you will start reading. Okay, see this picture, there is also a bin and there is a fig inside it. But see, what is this? What is lying over here? Ma'am, this is a pin. Yes, this is a pin lying over here. If someone is passes by over here, तो ये क्या होगा? उनके पैर में ये लग सकता है ना पिन, है ना? ओके, सो आपको कोई भी शार्प चीज अगर आपको नीचे दिखती है, सो यू हैव टू टेक इट एंड पुट इट इन अ बॉक्स. फाइन. Okay, so now we will start reading from here. Put your pencil over here, students, and start reading the first sentence. Okay, what is this? The is. This is a in a bin. Full stop. This is a bin. Once you read with the phonic sound, then you have to read the whole line. Okay, जब आपने एक बार phonic sound के थ्रू पोर्शन में डिवाइड करके आपने रीड कर लिया है डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वर्ड्स को, देन आपको क्या करना है? यू हैव टू रीड द होल सेंटेंस. दिस इज अ बिन. ये क्या है? दिस इज अ बिन. The in bin is big. ये bin कैसा है? The bin is big. Okay, students, now I am adding one more thing into it. Okay, you have pencil in your hands. You have to underline those words which is having the I sound. Okay, you have to underline the 3-letter words having I, like in a bin. You only have to underline only 3-letter words. Fine. In this sentence there are 2 words, in a bin, big. Once you have to read it, after that जब आप दोबारा प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो रीडिंग की, then you have to underline those words. Okay, the in a bin, her as a has a fig. For eager fig. The bin has a fig. What is written over here? कि ये जो bin है, this one, इस bin में क्या है? Has a fig. इसके अंदर fig है. Okay, so where is the 3-letter word? This one and this one. Anyone else? No. Okay. Now start reading from here. Put put the pin in the bin. What is written over here? Put the pin. मतलब we are talking about this pin. Put the pin in the bin. इस पिन को कहाँ रखो? In the bin. So you have to underline the three letter I words. Okay. Do you see the big bin? So now this is a question mark sign है ना. जब आप किसी से कोई चीज पूछते हो, when you are asking a question, so then you have to put this question mark sign. Okay. So like if I'm asking do you have a pencil, that means I am asking with you कि आपके पास pencil है, then I have to put a question mark in the end. So again, here is a question that do you see the big bin? क्या आपने big bin देखा है? So what you have to say? Yes, I have seen a big bin. And what is the color? Pink color, right? Okay, students, this was about your sentence reading. Now, I generally ask few questions to you. You are ready to give those answers to me. Fine? So, hurry up. Be ready. I'm gonna ask you few questions. Be ready now. Let me give a brief about the sentences. What is the meaning of all those sentences? We are talking about a bin, है ना. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो there is a bin, okay, and the bin is big. ये bin कैसा है? बहुत बड़ा है. What this bin has? This bin has a fig. इस bin में क्या है? There is a fig inside the bin, okay. And then we are talking about this pin, that put the pin in the bin, कि ये पेन उठाकर कहाँ रखो? bin में रखो. Then there is a question asking with you all that do you see the big bin? So you can say yes, I can see a big bin. Okay. So that is all about these sentence reading. Now come to the question part. The in a bin is, bin कैसा था? For at a fat? No. Eager big? I don't know. For eat a fit. Is a bin fit? No. So what was the bin? The bin is eager big. We read it in the second sentence. Bin कैसा था? The bin is big. बड़ा था, है ना? Okay, come to the next question. Now I am asking with you. You have to give me the answer. The bin has a, bin में क्या था? The bin has a, ma'am, fig. Very good. Tell me, where is the word? Is this a correct word? No, ma'am. This is wig. Very good. Okay, read this word. What is this? Ma'am, zip. Okay, this one is not the correct word. Okay, now the next word. Ma'am, for eager fig. Yes, this one is the correct word. So you have to put your tick over here. Okay, now come to the next question. Put the pin in the, where we have to put that pin? This pin. Put the pin in the bin. What is the correct answer? Bin, right? So where is bin? There it is, है ना? Okay, try to read this word as well. Hole. Hole मतलब क्या होता है? Small hole, shade. Okay, the next is, what is it? Pit. Is there any pit? No. So what is the correct one? In a bin, right? Okay. So students, now this worksheet is completed. Now we will come to the discussion part. Okay. When and why do we use a dustbin? Okay. So this is the discussion part. You need not to write it in your notebook. We have just a general discussion. Okay, parents, it's a request that you also please take that discussion at your home with our kids. Okay, in your free time, in evening, whenever you find it, सो आप स्टूडेंट्स के साथ ये डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू वेट टू गेट देयर नॉलेज कि वो क्या सोचते हैं इसके बारे में. ओके, एंड देन यू हैव टू टेल देम, देन यू हैव टू करेक्ट देम इफ दे आर रॉन्ग. ओके, सबसे पहले आपने डिस्कशन में स्टूडेंट्स का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, स्टूडेंट्स की नॉलेज यू हैव टू जज. ओके, दिस इज अ कंप्लीट डिस्कशन. You need not to guide our kids. Okay, just a discussion. So like when and why do we use a dustbin? हम क्यों डस्टबिन यूज करते हैं? Why? To get our surrounding clean. And where we use it? When? हमें कब जरूरत पड़ती है? In our whole day we use dustbin. Why? To keep our surrounding clean, right? So students also give a similar kind of answer to you all, so you need to correct at that particular time. Okay, why is cleanliness important? क्यों important होती है? Why? because because it's all related to the good health. Okay, cleanliness is very much important because it's a part of our healthy living. अगर आप clean नहीं रहोगे तो you are not going to be healthy anymore. So cleanliness is very much important for your good health. Okay, and we have to be clean from our externally as well as internally, because it's play a very essential role in healthy living. That's why cleanliness is very much important for your good health. Fine. And very much important for a better environment as well. अगर आपका environment clean होगा, ठीक है, अच्छा होगा आपका environment, so you used to do good things as well. अगर आपका environment clean नहीं होगा तो you are lazy, you have negative aspects, right? So cleanliness is very much important for a healthy living. What should we do to stay clean and keep our surrounding clean? हमें क्या करना चाहिए कि हम क्लीन रहें, खुद भी क्लीन रहे, और साथ में जो हमारा एनवायरनमेंट है, हमारा सराउंडिंग है, हमारी आसपास की जगह है, उसको भी हम क्या रखें, क्लीन रखें. तो टेल मी, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर कि व्हाट वी हैव टू डू टू स्टे क्लीन एंड टू कीप आवर सराउंडिंग क्लीन. I am giving you a hint. We have to plant trees to make our surrounding clean, because trees gives us oxygen, है ना. हमारा atmosphere भी clean रहता है where there are lots of trees outside. Okay, and it also give a natural beauty towards our environment. देन यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज रीयूजेबल प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स जो आप बार बार रीयूज कर सकते हो, आपको वो प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करने चाहिए. Fine, you don't have to use those resources who is having single usage like plastic. Don't have to use, because it is not natural friendly product. Okay, so students, these are the hints. If you have any ideas, you have any knowledge, so you can share it with me with video clips or video recordings. Fine, whatever is comfortable with you. Now we will come towards our next subject, which is creative. For that you have to bring out your art and craft book. Today we are doing our creative session in the art and craft book of yours. So this is your art and craft book. You have to open this book. Hurry up, I am giving you some time. Till then you have to bring your art and craft book. Fine. So students, let's open your book. First of all, you have to open your book and come on page number 111 from your book. So students, this you have to see on screen. This is your page number 11. What is there in this picture? Who will tell me? Ma'am, this is an owl. Yes. O for owl, right? So if you want to cross check this page, so you have to come below. This is your page number 1111. Okay. So today we covered this page number. Okay. And see, this page number I split it in two halves. ठीक है, मैम ने इसको टू हाफ्स में डिवाइड कर दिया है. यू हैव टू कवर दिस वर्कशीट इन 2 days. हाउ मेनी डेज यू हैव टू कंप्लीट इट? इन 2 days. Today task which I told you, you have to only do that task, don't go forward. ओके, मैम ने ये वर्कशीट आपको 2 days में कंप्लीट करवानी है. सो यू हैव टू गो in that speed. Don't cover this worksheet in one day only. Okay, step by step you have to cover it, जैसे मैम आपको गाइड करेंगे. Fine students. Okay, so before starting this worksheet, students, you have to fill the topmost column which is there. You have to write the date on top. Okay, as well as you have to circle the day. Go outside, check the today's weather, and then circle the clip art. Okay, so in this worksheet, through this worksheet, I introduced you a good way of artwork. Okay, this is totally new to you all, so you have to understand it, you have to see it very carefully. Okay, so what we gonna do in this worksheet: pencil shaving and cotton pasting. So students, today you have to do pencil shaving. Okay, pencil shaving आपने कैसे करनी है? Let me show you the picture. See, as you see on screen, these are the pencil shreds. Okay, आपने ये pencil shavings आज collect करनी है. Don't use new pencils. Okay, आपको new pencils use नहीं करनी है. जो आपकी old pencil है, ठीक है, आपने उन्हीं से ही shaving collect करनी है इन अ जार. कोई भी आप एक एम्प्टी जार लो, उसके अंदर ओल्ड पेंसिल से आपने शॉर्प करके पेंसिल शेविंग को कलेक्ट करना है उसी ओल्ड जार में. ओके, टुडे टास्क इज ओनली टू कलेक्ट द थिंग्स. जो भी मटेरियल रिक्वायर्ड है टू कंप्लीट दिस वर्कशीट, यू नीड टू कलेक्ट दोज मटेरियल. Okay, so first of all I would introduce you with the material which is required while completing this worksheet. ओके, तो आज हम क्या करेंगे, आपने जितना भी मटेरियल रिक्वायर्ड है वो कलेक्ट करना है, उसकी प्रिपरेशन करनी है, एंड देन टुमारो वी विल कंप्लीट आर दिस वर्कशीट. जितना मैम आज आपको बता रहे हैं सिर्फ आपको उतना ही करना है. यू नीड नॉट टू कंप्लीट दिस वर्कशीट बाय टुडे, नो. ओके, स्टेप बाय स्टेप यू हैव टू फॉलो. तो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू कवर पेंसिल शेविंग एंड कॉटन पेस्टिंग. तो सबसे पहले यू नीड टू गेट that what is required to complete this worksheet. क्या आपको कलेक्ट करना, ठीक है. See, this is the image, है ना. आपको ये इमेज क्लियरली विजिबल है कि आपने अपनी ये जो इमेज है आउल की, आपको सिमिलरली ऐसे प्रिपेयर करनी है, जस्ट लाइक दिस, जैसे ये है. ओके, तो एज यू सी, व्हाट इज दिस? Is it clearly visible to you all? These are the pencil shreds. ठीक है, तो आज आपको क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स, यू मस्ट हैव टू टेक द ओल्ड पेंसिल फ्रॉम योर स्टॉक. ठीक है, आपने अपने स्टॉक से ओल्ड पेंसिल लेनी है, उनको शॉर्प करना है और एक एम्प्टी जार के अंदर उसको कलेक्ट करना है. ठीक है, टुडे यू हैव टू डू दैट टास्क. ओके, एंड यू ऑल्सो हैव टू गैदर द मटेरियल विच इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस वर्कशीट. जैसे कि फर्स्ट इज यू हैव टू टेक कॉटन. ओके, आपको कॉटन चाहिए. यू कैन पुट इट इन अ बॉक्स जहाँ पर आप सारी चीजें कलेक्ट कर सकते हो. कॉटन आपको कलेक्ट करनी है. देन यू मस्ट हैव टू फर्स्टली शॉर्प द पेंसिल एंड देन कलेक्ट द पेंसिल शेविंग्स इन एन एम्प्टी जार. देन व्हाट यू नीड टू हैव ग्लू. आपको ग्लू भी एक बॉक्स के अंदर कलेक्ट करनी है. एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू मस्ट हैव वैक्स क्रेयॉन्स. ठीक है, आपके पास वैक्स क्रेयॉन्स होने चाहिए. ठीक है, तो आज टुडे टास्क इज ओनली टू गैदर ऑल दीज मटेरियल इन अ बॉक्स, ताकि व्हेन जब आप टुमारो ये कंप्लीट करो अपनी वर्कशीट, तो आपको हर एक चीज जगह पर मिले. यू नीड नॉट टू गो इन हश रश दैट आई एम अनेबल टू फाइंड दिस, आई एम अनेबल टू फाइंड दैट. ओके, तो आज आपने सिर्फ अपना टास्क करना है मटेरियल को गैदर करने में जो भी इस वर्कशीट के लिए रिक्वायर्ड है. ओके, कॉटन एक जगह पर आपने रखनी है. ठीक है, देन पेंसिल शेविंग आपको शॉर्प करनी है पेंसिल, और एक पेंसिल शेविंग्स को अपने किसी एम्प्टी जार में कलेक्ट करना है. ठीक है, देन you must have glue at your home. If you don't have glue, so you can also use Fevicol, Fevistick also you can take. Okay, then next thing, wax crayons. Fine. So today task is only to gather the material. Fine. So that is for today, and tomorrow we will complete this worksheet with the help of these material. Okay, fine. So that's it for your today creative class, students. You all have to gather these material or pencil shavings आप collect करनी है. That is the only task for you all. Fine, that's it. Have a good day. Bye bye.